Dear students, I'll explain chapter 17, The Daffodils, today. The poet is William Wordsworth. Daffodils are a kind of flower. What is your happiest memory? Often, it only takes a happy memory to brighten our day. In this poem, the poet tries to overcome his loneliness by recalling a beautiful memory. Recalling means yaad karna. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high over vales and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils, beside the lake beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. So I wandered. The poet is wandering lonely as a cloud. He is alone, he is wandering here and there. It's a similarity. Comparison is done between the cloud and the poet. He is like wandering lonely as a cloud floats over the valleys and hills. Same way the poet is wandering here and there, घूम रहा है. When at all I saw a crowd, what he saw crowd means lot of golden daffodils. बहुत सारे golden daffodil flowers देखे. Beside the lake के साथ में, beneath the trees के नीचे, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. So fluttering is a movement, हिलने डुलने वाली movement, and dancing in the breeze, जो हवा में नाच रहे थे. Continuous as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way. They stretched in never-ending line along the margin of a bay. 10,000 saw I at a glance, tossing their heads in sprightly dance. Continuous as the stars that shine. They were shining continuously as stars, means they were so sparkly and shiny. As the stars twinkle on the Milky Way. Milky Way is our galaxy, right? So, as the stars twinkle on the Milky Way, same way the daffodils were shining and twinkling. They were stretched in a line that never ends, means there were too many, बहुत सारे थे. Along the margin of a bay. Bay is a water body. उस वाटर बॉडी के साथ साथ बहुत सारे डैफोडिल्स उगे हुए थे. 10,000 आई सॉ एट अ ग्लांस. एक ही नज़र में मैंने 10,000 देख लिए. इट मीन्स देर वर अ लॉट ऑफ डैफोडिल्स. ही हैड नॉट काउंटेड देम. Tossing their heads in sprightly dance. Those and the daffodils were doing what? They were tossing their heads. They were moving their heads like they were dancing very lively. बड़ी खुशी से नाच रहे थे. The waves beside them danced, but they outdid the sparkling waves in glee. A poet could not but be gay in such a jocund company. I gazed and gazed, but little thought what wealth the show to me had brought. So now the waves of the bay, the water body, the waves were also dancing. But they outdid the sparkling waves in glee. They outdid means they were more happy. They were dancing more nicely along the bay. They were dancing more happily with the waves. A poet could not but be gay. So when poet saw, he was more happy. When poet saw, he was very happy when he saw the flowers dancing in such a jocund company. Jocund means joyous, happy company. When he was in a happy company. I gazed and gazed, but little thought. Who gazed? The writer gazed. The writer was watching the flowers, but little thought. उसने बहुत कम सोचा, बस वो देखता ही रह गया. What wealth to me the show had brought. ये क्या देख रहा हूँ मैं? What kind of beauty I am watching. For oft when on my couch I lie. अब जब मैं अक्सर अपने सोफे पर लेटता हूँ, इन वेकेंट और इन पेंसिव मूड. पेंसिव इज थिंकिंग डीपली अबाउट समथिंग. जब चिंता में होता हूँ या खाली दिमाग बैठता हूँ इन अ रिलैक्सिंग मैनर, दे फ्लैश अपॉन दैट इनवर्ड आई विच इज़ द ब्लिस ऑफ सॉलिट्यूड. दे फ्लैश. कौन फ्लैश करते हैं? बंद आँखों में मेरे सामने डैफोडिल्स आ जाते हैं. विच इज़ द ब्लिस ऑफ सॉलिट्यूड, जो अकेलेपन में मुझे खुशी देते हैं. ब्लिस इज़ हैप्पीनेस, सॉलिट्यूड इज़ लोनलीनेस. एंड देन माई हार्ट फिल्स विद प्लेजर. और मेरा दिल खुशी से भर जाता है. एंड देन माई हार्ट विद प्लेजर फिल्स एंड डांसेस विद द daffodils. And when I'm sitting alone, eyes closed, like I'm in some deep tension or deep thinking, or I'm just vacant, I'm thinking nothing, and when I close my eyes, I see daffodils in front of my eyes, my heart starts dancing with the daffodils.